Last week, I talked about belief and the law of attraction. So this week, I'm going to give you tools so you can put belief and the law of attraction to work. And just to remind you, the law of attraction states that you bring into your life what you focus on. So if you are thinking and feeling and speaking about negativity, that's what you're going to get back. But if you're thinking and speaking and feeling positive, that's what you're going to get back. So here are some tools to help you with the power of belief and the law of attraction. Here we go. So the first tool that I'm going to talk about is creative visualization. When I was in grad school, in my mid-30s, I was a single mom and I had no idea how I was going to make it. Whenever I would worry about money, which was basically, a lot, I would stop that and I would think about what I wanted because I knew about the law of attraction. So I would have a scary money thought and then I would stop that and I would replace it with like picking apples off of trees. But instead of apples, they were $100 bills. I would picture swimming in an ocean of $1,000 bills. I'm not even sure that there is such a thing, but whatever. I just made it up. I would see avalanches of money rolling down a hill and knocking me over and I'd be buried in it and I'd come out laughing. Like I really made them very creative and very fun. And honestly, those thoughts and that good feeling about money carried me through and my daughter and I made it. It really helped me. It's not just what you visualize, but it's how you feel about the visualizations. You should feel joy and satisfaction and you should laugh and it's just fun. That's what fuels the manifestation. You can even visualize every morning, 1 full minute, exactly what you want. Like make it a daily discipline and be light about it. Make sure that there's no like, oh please God, desperation kind of stuff. No, it's just fun. Have fun because that feeling of joy and lightness and fun is going to get you exactly what you want because you are going to attract it. Another way to exercise the power of belief is the light bath. I love the light bath. I feel lighter after from head to toe. And what you do is you picture light from whatever you call higher power, the divine, God, Father, Holy Spirit. You picture it going through you, starting with the top of your head, filling up your face, the back of your head, your neck, your chest, your back, your arms, your fingers, your legs, front and back, and your feet. And then the light goes into the center of the earth. And you make the light vibrate every cell inside of you. Every single cell is lit with this 100% healing light. It can also take the negativity off of you from the day, from other people, and then from inside of you, your own negativity. It will bathe you of anything that is not 100% light. This alone on my healing journey has made me better. I usually do it before I go to sleep. Sleep recharges my body and then the light bath recharges everything else. So I'm ready for the next day. One of the best ways to get the law of attraction to work in your favor is to be and stay positive. Positivity! Complaining? Dangerous. There's an epidemic of complaining. People have many reasons to be negative. I will not take that away from you. But what you are doing when you are thinking and you're feeling and you're speaking about all of the terrible things that are happening in your life or around you, you are attracting more of that. So you want to stop. Notice when you're doing it. It's very human to do it. And then stop and replace it with the positive opposite. This is also called cognitive behavioral therapy. You want to focus on what you do want. You want to speak about what you do want. You want to feel how good it would feel to have what you want. And then you will attract that into your life. Do you have friends and family that you have been around where they're just, sad or angry and complaining and negative, and you just feel like they're bringing you down? You don't want to be that. You want to be positive. You want to make people feel good. You want to attract awesome things into your life. Health, success, abundance, love. You do that by feeling good, and then more good will come to you. And the thing is that being positive does not mean that only positive things happen in your life. It just means that even when the bad things happen, you shift your focus to positivity. You could think about what you're grateful for. Like maybe this terrible thing has happened, but I still have eyes to see, and I'm still breathing, and I still have a heart that loves, and ears that hear, and strong legs that can carry me, or whatever it is. Just be grateful for what is. And that is enough to switch your vibration to positive again, because you cannot be grateful and negative at the same time. It's going to take you some time to find a new way of being more positive, but you can do it. And it's like building a muscle. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And most of all, remember, you can heal. See you next time. Thank you.